Hello all, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see the differences between shared web hosting and VPS web hosting. And before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get started. So here we have the pros and cons of shared web hosting at first. So let's start with the pros. First of all, it's going to be the cheapest type of hosting out there, and it's designed for beginners, and also it's got the decent performance on static and low traffic websites. However, some of the cons would be something like you will not be having any dedicated resources. You'll be having to share them, and there are higher security risk, and also the sites you share many sites share a server with the will of course that could affect your performance. And now coming to the VPS web hosting, coming to the pros of the VPS hosting, it is that it's great value for money. It gives you more customizable control, and you will have the scalable plans that grow with your website in case you needed more resources. But some of the cons could be something like it's going to be slightly more expensive than the shared web hosting for sure, and also it requires basic technical knowledge, and you'll need to have a vague idea of how much storage and bandwidth you want. So it's really up to you at the end of the day, depending on what you need, and which suits your requirements at most. So you can learn more about web hosting and other things about the web development from the playlist that the link will be mentioned in the description, or else in the top right corner of this video you can find the link. You can go there and learn more about the web development topics. This is all for today's video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching.